Welcome to our in-depth analysis of WeFunder, a crowdfunding service designed for startups. WeFunder connects startups with investors online, providing a platform for businesses to raise capital from a broad and diverse investor base. It's part of the equity crowdfunding landscape, meaning investors get a share in the company, not just a product or reward. WeFunder has some key features that make it appealing. It's not just for accredited investors. Anyone can invest in startups on WeFunder. It also provides a lead investor system where experienced investors lead the charge, setting terms and guiding inexperienced investors. Plus, it offers a legally compliant platform under the Jobs Act. So, how much does it cost to use WeFunder? For startups, WeFunder charges a 7.5% fee on the total amount raised. This includes a 2% legal review fee and a 5% cash fee. However, startups don't have to pay unless they successfully raise funds. For investors, there's no fee to invest, but they might have to pay for wire transfers. WeFunder is ideal for startups looking to raise capital from a large pool of investors. It's also great for businesses that want to involve their customer base as investors. For investors, it's perfect if you want to support businesses you love, diversify your portfolio, or get started in startup investing with as little as $100. There are numerous advantages to using WeFunder. It democratizes investing, opening the door for non-accredited investors. Startups get a larger pool of potential investors, and the lead investor system can increase confidence. Additionally, WeFunder handles legal compliance for crowdfunding, reducing startups' burdens. Despite its benefits, WeFunder has some limitations. The platform's all-or-nothing funding model means if a startup doesn't hit its minimum goal, it gets nothing. There's also limited control over who becomes investors, which can be a concern for some startups. Plus, the 7.5% fee can be hefty for startups raising large amounts. However, it's essential to note that WeFunder is a tool, not a magic bullet. Success on the platform depends on how well startups can market their campaigns and convince people to invest. It's a good idea to have a solid marketing plan before launching a WeFunder campaign. The crowdfunding landscape is evolving, and WeFunder is at the forefront of these changes. It's a platform that offers opportunities for startups and investors alike. However, like any tool, its effectiveness depends on how you use it. Weigh the potential benefits against the challenges before diving in. Some key takeaways: WeFunder democratizes startup investing, making it accessible to non-accredited investors. It provides a platform for startups to raise capital from a large pool of investors. However, it has an all-or-nothing funding model and charges a 7.5% fee on successfully raised funds. A solid marketing plan is crucial for success. In conclusion, WeFunder is a powerful platform for startups seeking to raise funds and for people looking to invest in startups. Its unique features, like the lead investor system and legal compliance handling, offer significant advantages. However, startups should be prepared for the all-or-nothing funding model and have a robust marketing plan. We hope this analysis has given you a clearer understanding of WeFunder and its potential for your startup or investment journey. Like any tool, it has its strengths and weaknesses, but it's certainly a game-changing platform in the equity crowdfunding space. Thank you for watching our thorough analysis of WeFunder. We hope you found it helpful and informative. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis videos like this one. Until next time.